Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I have a 02 Mercedes SLK 320 that I'm working on trying to get into neutral. No battery power. It's kind of hidden right here. You just push it down kind of at a backwards angle, and then this one's all gummed up, but once it's pushed back, let me see if I can set my phone to where it won't shut off. Use two hands to do this. Ugh. This guy needs this. This guy needs to stop smoking cigarettes. This car is nasty. Ugh. There's like a button that this car is a pain in the butt. I've already been here 20 minutes. Well, this car might have more of an issue, but let's see. I'm just not hitting it. And of course my camera fell. But yeah. So yeah, there's a button kind of backwards to the right side. So kind of at like a small angle inwards, and that'll get you in neutral and stuff. Sorry for the crud, but check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, keep wrenching.